Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Today I will discuss physical quantities and measurements, first chapter of ninth class physics. Today I will discuss the define of the science, the field of observation and experimentation to understand about the world around us is known as science. In the fifth one line, this one. ऑब्जर्वेशन और एक्सपेरिमेंट की मदद से जो कि दुनिया है हमारे इर्द गिर्द उसको समझना साइंस कहलाता है. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर 1.1 फिजिकल एंड नॉन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़. Physical quantities are those which can be measured with the help of any instrument, and non-physical which cannot be measured with the help of any instruments, like physical quantities, length, mass, time, temperature. These are the quantities which we can measure simply. And non-physical which we can't measure, like fear, wisdom, affection, beauty, length, volume. These are non-physical quantities. Now we will see the table 1.1. Measurements, yes, no, yes or no में आंसर करना है. Which are instruments used in which quantities, physical or non-physical. In physical quantities, yes, we used instrument. Non-physical quantities, no, we don't use instrument. And third point, numerical value in unit. Yes, physical quantities have numerical value in unit, and non-physical quantities have no unit and numerical value. Examples like physical quantities, length, mass, time, temperature. And in the non-physical, beauty, wisdom, affection, love, that cannot be measured with the help of any instrument. Now we will discuss 1.2 base and drive physical quantities. First of all, we will see the definition of base and drive quantities. Base quantities are those which are foundation base for other quantities which exist already. They are not derived from other quantities, like length. Physics is a science of physical world where we interact with many different types of material objects. In physics, we discuss some material objects. These objects are exposed in terms of their measurable features known as physical quantities, such as length, breadth, thickness, mass, volume, density, time, temperature. These are the quantities which we can measure. Out of these, the scientists have selected arbitrarily some quantities to play a key role. कुछ बुनियादी रोल प्ले करती हैं. They are called base quantities. All the quantities which can describe in terms of one or more base quantities are called drive quantities. Drive quantities वो हैं जो हम लोग base quantities से ड्राइव करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पीड इज़ अ ड्राइव quantities which depend on किसकी स्पीड डिपेंड करती है, डिस्टेंस, टाइम, which are base quantities. Whereas density of a material is described in terms of mass and volume. Mass and volume